In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever needed to email a PDF or upload it to a portal and hit a file size limit, this quick process will help you reduce the size without changing the content. We'll use a built-in option in Acrobat Pro that keeps things simple and fast, and I'll point out a couple of tips so you preserve quality where it matters. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give it a moment to load fully so all menu options are available. Next, open the PDF you want to compress in Acrobat Pro. If it's already open, you're set. If not, bring it into Acrobat the way you normally do so it's active in the workspace. Now look to the top left area of the interface. On Windows, click the menu button in that corner. On a Mac, click File in the menu bar. From there, choose Save as Other and then select Reduced Size PDF. This option applies a general compression pass that typically shrinks the file significantly by streamlining images and other resources while keeping the document viewable and shareable. You'll see a prompt to choose version compatibility. This determines which versions of Acrobat or Reader the compressed file will work with. Leaving it on the default Acrobat desktop is a safe, standard choice for modern environments. If you know your recipients use much older software, you can select an older compatibility to maximize compatibility, though that may reduce certain features or slightly affect quality. Once you've chosen what fits your needs, click OK. Next, choose where you want to save the new file. To keep your original intact as a backup, it's a good idea to rename the compressed version. Adding something like compressed to the file name makes it easy to recognize later. Pick your destination folder, confirm the name, and click Save. Acrobat will process the file, and in most cases, this takes just a few seconds. When it's done, your reduced size PDF is ready to share. If you're curious about the results, you can compare the file sizes of the original and the new version in your File Explorer. Keep in mind that heavier documents with lots of high-resolution images will usually see the biggest gains. If you ever notice the output looks too soft for your needs, consider starting again from the original and choosing a different compatibility, or plan to use more advanced optimization settings later. That's it. Quick, reliable PDF compression right inside Acrobat Pro.